Okay, hi guys, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. Okay, so for today, it's going to be another lipstick try on. But this time around, we're going to try the Anastasia Nude Matte Lipstick Set. So if you want to know what are the colors, how it looks like, trying on, swatching, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, guys, I forgot where I bought this from Beauty Bay. Okay, I'll put the details at the description box if you do want to check it out. So the Anastasia, am I pronouncing it correctly? Anastasia. It's a limited edition set of full pigment lip colors with a smooth ultra matte finish in 4 nude shades. If you can see, the lipstick themselves have black lids, gold bases, and the name is actually embossed in each of the lipsticks. They're just like, oh my god. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. Again, can you see that? It's very fancy. And when you do get this much lipstick, oh my god, Victoria, are you going to try that? So that's much lipstick, and at the top you get this, their logo, and again the name. So let's try them on. First is soft pink. It's a blushing petal pink. Okay, next is kiss. It's a nude rose petal pink. Okay, next is spice. It's a ripened apricot peach. Okay, last but not the least is dead roses. It's a blushing mauve. And that's it. So those are the 4 colors in this matte lipstick set, and I'll show you swatches now. So this will be soft pink, kiss, spice, and dead roses. So what's my favorite? The last two, which is spice and dead roses, I do think I'll be able to wear this on a daily basis. Kiss is because I think it's too light for me. Again, it's all about personal preference. And same thing with the pink one. I know when I was trying it out, it does look good on camera, but actually even in real life I do, but I just don't wear that much pink. This dead roses, I do like. It has this vampy nude thing going on, and I like it. Applying the lipstick, how do I put this? You do have to, you'll be tugging. It yeah, it tugs a bit. I think if you moisturize or you put a lip balm underneath before you actually apply this lipstick, then you wouldn't have that issue. But because I wanted to try and see how it will work for dry lips, which I do have, so I did suffer is such a strong word, so I did find it quite difficult because I need to tug. But on the last color, which is dead roses, I did put a lip balm underneath because I do feel that my lips are getting dry. So yeah, so they don't glide, but they're creamy. They're creamy, as in they're creamy, and they do finish like matte. So I know this is not transfer proof or whatsoever, which again, I don't mind because I do reapply my lipstick like every now and then, especially if I'm at work. And I like this because it has, like, it's mini, so you get to try the formula first, and if you do like it, then you buy the full size if you wanted to. But again, I've said this like 1,000 times in this channel, who finishes a full Like, I think some people do, but if you're a lipstick fanatic like me, you'll be like buying lipstick left and right. And I do love minis. So yeah, have you tried any of the Anastasia other lipsticks? I do know they have liquid lipsticks. I think so. And I do also know that they have another set. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried. Um, yeah. And what do you actually think about it? Do you like them? Would you rather pass? Or what's your favorite lipstick brand, lipstick color? Let me know in the comment section, because I do like reading your comments and I do get ideas from time to time which brand to try. And yeah, that's it. I keep on rambling like nobody business. And if you do like this type of video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, till my next lipstick swatch try on, remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye.